Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of digital signal processing. In this lecture again we are going to discuss the numerical based on the windowing technique. Let's say the numerical is design FIR filter. So to design the FIR filter we need to proceed with some of the approach. Let's say that approach is this time Hamming window. So by using the Hamming window technique we need to design the filter. So the specifications for this filter are given like HD of omega. It is nothing but e raised to minus j3 omega. Let's say the range of the frequencies is minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So when we say it is minus pi by 4, so obviously it is nothing but minus omega c to plus omega c, and it is 0 for the rest of the values, means for pi by 4 less than omega less than equal to pi. So from pi by 4 to pi it is 0. So that is what simple expressions given to us. So when we compare it with the standard equation, so as we have gone through what exactly the standard expression, let's say this is what the only specification given to us, and from this specification we want to design the FIR filter. So what is the standard equation given to us for HD of omega? So for HD of omega the standard equation is quite simpler. It is nothing but the value HD of omega, it is equal to, let me just simplify it with another pen. So here HD of omega e raised to minus j omega m minus 1 by 2. This is what the expression. Now when we compare it with this equation, so what we are getting here, j is common, omega, so what is remain, m minus 1 by 2 is nothing but the value 3. So let's simplify it. M minus 1 will be equal to 6, so it means m is equal to 7. So from this comparison with the standard equation of the desired frequency response for the filter, we can obtain the length of the filter, that is m. So from this we got the m equal to 7. So let's proceed. Once we got m, even we got HD of omega, we know what is omega c, then we can just calculate this particular factor. H of n is equal to HD of n into, since it is asked with Hamming window, so window function is WHM of n. So if we call this as equation number 1, so for this equation number 1 we need HD of n. So let's calculate the HD of n, which is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integral minus omega c, means minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, and HD of omega, that is what given, so e raised to minus j 3 omega into e raised to j omega and d omega. So this is how, let's say this is nothing but the next equation. From this equation we can further simplify it. 1 upon 2 pi, let's say integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. This is e raised to, this can be written like e raised to j omega n minus 3. Okay, so if you simplify you will get the same kind of term. So it is e raised to j omega n minus 3 d omega. So let's find out the integral for it. So it will look like 1 upon 2 pi, integral will be e raised to j omega n minus 3 divided by j into n minus 3, and this will be pi by 4, and this is minus pi by 4. So let's solve it further. So after simplification and readjusting the term, it will look like 1 upon n minus 3 into pi, because we want to readjust this numerator as well as the denominator in terms of the sign of angle. So it can be written as e raised to j into, let's say, pi by 4, that is the value of omega, n minus 3 minus e raised to minus j pi by 4 n minus 3. This is how it is simply readjusted. Now what is this particular equation? So this particular equation is nothing but, once we simplify it, it will look like, it is nothing but hd of n is equal to 1 upon, let's say, n minus 3 into pi. So let me just readjust. 1 upon n minus 3 into pi. And what is this? At the numerator, it is nothing but sine of pi by 4 into n minus 3. So this is how hd of n we got. Let's call this as equation number 2, but this is for n not equal to 3 case. So what is it for a n equal to 3 case? So it is nothing but simply put the value n equal to 3 in this equation. So it will be 1 upon 2 pi e raised to 0. Again the integral will be 1. E raised to 0 means it is 1. So 1 integral 1 means with respect to omega, it is omega. So here it will be nothing but pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So it is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi. This is 2 pi by 4. 2 pi cancel. So it will be nothing but 0.25. That is equation number 3 for n equal to 3 case. So this is for n equal to 3 and this is for n not equal to 3. This is how for n equal to 3 and n not equal to 3 we calculated the hd of n. But here the task is not done. We need to proceed for calculation of WHM also. So for calculating the WHM, let me just write it here. So WHM calculation. So equation for WHM of n is simpler one, which we have seen in the earlier example also. 0.54 minus 0.46 cos it is 2 pi n by m minus 1. So m is 7, so it will be 2 pi n by 6. So it is giving actually n pi by 3. So this is reduced into value n pi by 3. So calculate here the coefficients. So ranging from WH0. So WH0 will be 0.08. It is same as that of the WH of 6. This you can just cross check. This is nothing but where we can say the filter coefficients are symmetric, or this is symmetric FIR filter. So if you calculate WH of 0, that is by putting n equal to 0 in this equation, you will find it is same as that of WH of 6. Similarly, WH of 1 is same as that of WH of 5, which is nothing but the value 0.31. So you can cross check all these values by putting the respective value of n. But what about WH of 2 is same as that of WH of 4, which is nothing but the value 0.77. What about WH of 3? Just now we calculated it. WH of 3, just put the value. So it is nothing but 1. So at the center it is 1. So this is how once we calculated all these values. So to calculate h of 0, hd of 0 into WH of 0. So for calculating of hd of 0, in this particular equation put n equal to 0 and you will get the value of hd of 0. So it is coming 0.075 into 0.08, that is what WH of 0. So this value is nothing but actually the value 0.006. so this is how the same h of 0 is applicable for h of 6 also. So these two values are same. So this is where we calculated the h of 0. Similarly, h of 1 is equal to h of 5, which is nothing but hd of 1 into wh of 1. So it is hd of 1 is actually getting the value, let me write it here, it is nothing but the value 0.15. so 0.15 into 0.31, that is of wh of 1. so it is 0.049. so this is what the value. Similarly, when you calculate h of 2, that is nothing but equal to h of 4, which is nothing but hd of 4 or hd of 2 into wh of 2. so hd of 2 means, again use the equation number 2 to solve it. So hd of 2 is nothing but the value 0.22. so 0.22 into wh of 2, which we calculated, that is nothing but the value 0.77. so by multiplying these two, we are getting the value which is nothing but 0.17. Similarly, h of 3, that is obviously the same as that of hd of 3 into wh of 3. so wh of 3 is actually 1 and hd of 3 is nothing but 1 by 4, that is 0.25. so 0.25 is nothing but this value, and remaining values are simply symmetric, which we calculated earlier. So this is how the filter coefficients h of 0, this value, similarly h of 1 0.049, h of 2 this 0.17, and h of 3 is 0.25 are calculated by using the method called as a Hamming window technique. So thank you everyone, thank you very much.